Hello everyone. This printer is HP Envy 4500E series. I want to show you ways to scan documents with this printer to your computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop both are connected together via a wireless network. So open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. This is A4 paper. Close the cover. The first method we want to use to scan, we want to use Windows Scanner. Go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, then select Printers and Scanners. You need to add a device. After you add a device, you need to look for HP Envy 4500 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Then select Scanner Settings. Then select Scanner Properties. It will show you the printer. If the printer is not available, you need to refresh it. So we're going to close this. Then open Scanner. Then scroll down, the printer is available. Scroll down, select the source as flatbed. You can also leave it auto-configured. File type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. The maximum is 1200, so it's currently 300 dpi. We want to save the file to documents. So select documents where you want to save the file, then select folder, then select scan. So this document is scanning. We'll show you now scanning. Then select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Select all pages, select number of copies, select more settings, and also the color. We want to print this in color. More settings, select print on one side, and also scale fit to printable area. Select the paper as A4 one page sheet, quality 600 dpi, then select print. We'll show you now printing. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan document, we're going to use HP app. So we close the Windows scanner. This is HP app, and this is the printer. Then select scan. Also make sure you put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Then from HP app, select scan. It will show you loading. Select advanced preset. Select documents. Scan the entire area. Output, we want to scan it in color. Resolution 300 dpi. Maximum, like I said earlier, is 1200 dpi. 300 dpi selected. Then you select scan. You can also select preview. Select scan. Document is scanning. We will show you on the printer now scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second page, open the glass scanner, turn the document the other way around, close the cover. Then you select add to scan the second page. You can edit this document, you can delete it if you like. So select add. then select scan. So these are documents we scan. This is the first one and second one. We have 2 pages right here. If you want to share this document, you select share icon. It gives you platforms you can share the document with. To save this document, then select save. Then select the document. It will save the date the document is scanned, and also select PDF. You can also give the name of the document, then select save. Then select folder, documents, select save. We show you file saved. Open file or close. Going to close this. To print it out, you select print icon from the button. Select print. The document is attached. Then scroll down to select quality, plain paper. Select more settings. I want us to print it on both sides. Long edge. The paper A4 plain paper. Color. Want to print it in color. Output quality normal. Then select OK. Then select print. Document is printing. This is a document we scanned and printed it out double-sided. Another method to scan documents I want us to use, we're going to scan from the control panel, scroll down, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, then select scan. Scroll down to select scan, then select OK. Select, will show you order, select OK. Then you select scan to computer, scan for print to laptop. Then select scan to computer. It will show you the laptop detail. Then select scan, start scan. They will show you connecting to computer. From the computer, then you select OK. Window, fast scanner application, then select OK. Now, it's scanning. We'll show you the scanning. This is the document. This is it. To print it out, select File, then select Print. Then you select the size as plain paper, A4 paper, quality normal, plain paper, and also the printer. Then you select full page, color management, and printer properties. Select OK, then select Print. So the document is printing. This is the document we scanned So these are methods to scan document with this printer to your computer, save it, and also print out the document. Thank you very much indeed.